Guide to washing women's clothes. Unless you perspire profusely, bras can withstand 3 to 4 wearings between washings. But they do need a 24-hour break after each wearing for the elastic to recover. If it is hot, sticky weather, wash them after each wearing. Perspiration wears down the elastic, so washing actually extends the life of the bra. T-shirts and camisoles are body-hugging, close-fitting garments similar to underwear. The t-shirts and camisoles should usually be washed after every wearing. This is particularly important for white garments that can develop yellow underarm stains if not washed correctly. As a general rule, women's blouses and tops should be washed after every wearing. Of course, if you don't perspire heavily or you only wear it for an hour or so, you may be able to get a couple of wearings. Always check the care labels to select the correct washing or dry cleaning methods. If your business attire is worn in an air-conditioned office, you can usually get 4 or 5 wearings before washing unless you drop your lunch in your lap. Always hang dresses, pants or jackets you've just worn for at least 24 hours before wearing again so the fibers can relax and air. This will allow fibers to rebound and wrinkles to relax. If you wear another garment like a blouse or t-shirt under your sweater, you can get 6 or more wearings from a sweater before it needs washing or dry cleaning, unless you're prone to spills. If you wear it next to your body, 1 or 2 wearings is about all you can expect before it needs to be cleaned. Did you know you sweat at night? We all do. We also shed thousands of skin cells. So, wash your pajamas or nightgowns or sleepwear after 2 or 3 wearings. If you shower right before bed, you might be able to go a bit longer. Your workout gear should be washed after every wearing. You probably perspired heavily, the fabrics are body-hugging and can harbor bacteria and odor. And don't forget your tennis shoes and to clean your gym bag or tote. Wash a gym bag if possible or wipe out with a disinfecting wipe. Outerwear can usually be worn multiple times before cleaning unless it has a readily visible stain. Again, be sure to give them breathing time between wearings by hanging on a sturdy hanger to relax and dry completely. Be sure to check key contact areas often, collars, sleeves, elbows, to be sure they are clean. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.